best friend. Didn't care about the rules, good on the weekends. I'll be in fools, drifting to deep space. So brave and so stupid, just like the movies. I was gonna stay in the fight with you, just thinking we would do this until we couldn't do it. Each and every high, every night with you, you and me so clueless.
Hello everybody and welcome to my home. My name is Ashley and today I'm bringing you a kitchen clean with me. I've got tons of cleaning motivation, I've got home decor inspiration as well as some kitchen organization ideas. I'm a stay-at-home mum to 2 girls, and if you enjoy any of that kind of homemaking content, I'd love it if you subscribe by clicking the button down below, giving it a thumbs up of course if you do enjoy it, but let's get straight into it. Standard, need to start with a coffee, but I made some new purchases. I've got some dinnerware that we need to wash in some hot soapy water. I've got a cookie jar that is of course Khloe Kardashian inspired. I've got some Easter decor I've popped out recently and this Desenio print that I have been waiting to put up for so long. I did want to make a second cookie jar, so I purchased a smaller one from Kmart Australia and I'm going to show you guys how I did that. But my dinnerware situation prior to that purchase was bleak. There was just bits and pieces everywhere. As you can see, our black plates are fairly scratched, so we're going to get started on the dishes now. I have a little few pieces in there and a full dishwasher to unpack, but let's get started.
Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights. And I really wanna know if I will ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high. Even if the sky is falling down. Jumping from cliffs so high, trusting our wings to fly. Sometimes we're crashing down, but we get up and start from the ground. And I really wanna know if I will ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high. Even if the sky is falling down, even if the sky is falling down, yeah. The sky is falling down.
If you guys didn't already know some of the tips and tricks with the Scrub Daddy, of course you can use the back of the utensils in the eyes, you can use the spoon feature in the mouth. It's also how you can grip it really easily is the eyes and the mouth, but hot water makes it soft, cold water makes it hard, and yeah, it's odor free. I like to use straws in the eyes as well, but I wanted to show you guys how exactly these cookie jars are made. All props to Khloe Kardashian, and she's got a full tutorial here on YouTube, so you can just search it if you're interested. But how gorgeous are they?
'Cause I've been running round in circles screaming out your name. Take me to a different place. Just the two of us and we can stay up all night, kissing under streetlights, doing what we want to, doing what we need to do, staying up all night. Everything is alright. Oh, I wanna be with you. Oh, I wanna be with you. Let me be that someone who can hold your hand. I don't even know.
If you can see here that I've moved my coffee machine over, it means that I wanted to clean out these two cupboards you're going to see me clear out now. Pull everything out, we're going to wipe everything down, see what I actually want to keep, and put everything back, being also the dinnerware. And in the other cupboard that I need to organize, where I want to put all of my coffee mugs now, being that the coffee machine is further over there, that is full of holiday decor. We've got Christmas stuff in there, we've got Halloween stuff, we've got autumn stuff, and a lot of Easter stuff. So if you guys want to see a sneak peek in what I got my kids for Easter, stay tuned.
Without you by my side, let me feel your love again. Just the two of us and we could stay up all night, kissing under streetlights, doing what we want to, doing what we need to do, staying up all night. Everything is alright. Oh, I wanna be with you. Oh, I wanna be with you. Let me be that someone who can hold your hand. I don't even know if you can understand how you make me feel. I got you in my head.
This is that holiday decor cupboard I was talking about, and that is a great tip or trick I have if you guys want to save on decor items. For example, we're about to go out of Easter now, so I'm probably going to go to the shops and stock up on all the sale items. I'm going to stick them in the cupboard for another year, but it saves so much money in the long run. It means I get some pretty cool decor items that I usually wouldn't have picked up because it was full price, so to speak. Yeah, just a great little budget saving friendly tip for you there. If you guys didn't already see this organizational piece that I picked up for $4 from Kmart, bargain. It came with the whiteboard as well, but this dosage reminder, this was actually free from the pharmacy, so I highly recommend you asking your pharmacist if you can grab one if you have children. But how cute are those little egg chalks? I love those. I feel like these next few clips are a really good example of how I end up getting so much done. So the cupboards were on my to-do list. However, dust was formed onto the countertop, the bench tops. So I've decided I'm going to wipe that down. I've noticed some marks on the coffee machine, so on and so forth. There was drips inside the coffee machine, so we've wiped all that down now. That wasn't actually on my to-do list, but I'm really glad I tackled it. Something that was on my to-do list was to clear on top of the fridge. It's kind of like a little dumping ground for me, especially for the children's artwork. So I've decided to give this a wipe down, and upon my inspection, I noticed a pretty disgusting freezer seal. Ugh, it's just reality, guys. All of us have hidden filth all over the place. Even the most beautiful houses on YouTube still have hidden filth somewhere. It's just inevitable.
every city, every place. Oh, always been a restless girl. Oh, but now there's a wind of change. I've never ever felt this way. Longing for you.
Once again, this is not particularly on my to-do list, but I'm here anyway, so I want to get all the fingerprints and grubby bits and pieces off the fridge, and then I'm going to move on to organising that artwork.
We're gonna have a lot of fun and spending this summer alone. I'm coming home. I'm coming home. You were only like a friend. Oh, till we met the other day. Oh, didn't want the night to end. Oh, and now there's a wind of change. I've never ever felt this way. You're stuck inside my mind, deep inside my mind. I think that now's the time. Longing for you, pick up the phone. Catching a flight, I'm coming home. Back to the place I've always known.
For those of you who are listening to my voice right now, who have made it this far into the video, I appreciate you so much, more than you could ever understand, and I hope that you enjoyed it enough to subscribe. There'll be plenty of more cleaning motivation each and every week here on my channel, so I will see you in the next one.